the 2010 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has less than 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.